So this other one, again, I purchased them at the same time, but for whatever reason, Amazon decided to split the order. So I ended up getting two deliveries, one on one day, and the other one, the paint one, I ended up getting like 3, 4 days later, which makes no sense. But that's just me. I'm actually kind of lucky because we're going through the process of the rioting and the craziness out there. But the paint set I'm going to be using for my next series of rock paintings for pop art. Ready? Ugh. Okay. Got a pair of scissors here. I'm going to cut that. Cut that over there. Okay. Now sometimes what I do is, so these are stencils. I make a lot of my own stencils, but in some cases it's really difficult to do certain stencils the way I like, or for precision purposes. So that's when I'll buy a packet of stencils. Otherwise, I make my own. And I'll be having a couple of videos on that in the relatively near future. So let's open this up. All right, scissors down because you can get cut by those as well. See, so be careful. Now, I've never ordered from this particular company, and we'll see how I like them. So these are individual packets, geometric shapes, mandala type design, curlicues, flourishes, which reminds me, I'll also be doing some mandala type rock paintings as well, and I'm looking forward to that. And let's see. So let's open up that one, get rid of that box. Okay. Open sesame. There you go. And as opposed to like throwing all this packaging away, what I like to do is to reuse them. So we'll see what we can do. Alright, so that's nice geometric. Oh, that's nice. Let's give a colored backdrop so you can see what they look like. I'm not going to do each one because it would take forever with the video. Well, that's not good. That's already folded over. But since the rocks that I'm going to be using aren't this big, I can probably just end up using a section. Careful on that one. Let's do that first one. Okay. Good. This one I like. I like geometrics and patterns, if you haven't already noticed that. And more of these. Good. Got that. That's good. That's a nice heart. That. Ooh, I'm liking this one. That's nice. So anyway, the reason why I ordered these stencils is pop art has the use of stencils in some of their pieces. Some geometric, some design patterns like the circles and the broad shapes. Oh, I like that too. Well, so far I like all of these. That's good. Nice. And the thickness is pretty good. Ooh, nice. The reason why I like to do my own stencils, as well as use stencils in general, is that once you get an idea down, instead of having to redraw it all the time, what you could do is when you have a stencil, you can either use it as a stencil or as a mask. And like I said, I'll go over that in the future. That's nice. Although I'd like to, if the honeycomb was a little smaller, but that's still good. Also very nice. So what was I saying? Oh, instead of having to reinvent the wheel, what you can do is, since you already have the design in mind, if you create one stencil, you can have that stencil for future pieces, which is good for me because I'm not crazy on painting the same thing over and over again. Which is, you know, if you like to do that, that's fine. But since I've already done one, there's no reason to, in my way of thinking, to do the exact same thing for the next piece. When I was painting in watercolor, I would finish a piece, and then the elements that I liked, I would do another piece based on that, and then, that's good, I would also do a piece, a painting, on those issues that I was having problems with. That way I'm mastering both and refining stuff and all of that. Okay, so this is basically the stencil. Good. And I'm looking forward to using these. That's especially nice. I like that. I like detail, like you know. But anyway, that's another day for my therapist. Anyway, there we go. That's cool. So this is my first unboxing. Hope you don't mind. And you can give me a thumbs up or a like if you want to see more unboxings in the future. And my question of the day for you is, do you ever use stencils or masks? Like a mask is the negative space. Once you cut out the negative, that negative part, this one here, becomes a mask. And you can use that mask in your painting. But anyway, so do you use masks and stencils? And do you make your own? So, thanks a lot. I will see you later. And like I said, what I'm going to be doing now is my next series is going to be on pop art, and I'm really looking forward to that one. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye.